Welcome, all my gorgeous girls and guys. This is your girl, the handbag snob, and I'm here with another unboxing. I know how you guys love unboxings, and I love them too. If you're one of those type of people who don't prefer unboxing videos, please exit now because this is not going to be for you. But for everybody else that loves unboxings, you guys, I got a gift for you today. Okay? You know, if you've seen the thumbnail, you know what it is. But before I go any further into this video, if you're new to my channel, go ahead, like and subscribe. While you're down there liking and subscribing, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can always be alerted to any new uploads that I do. For those of you that are new, I like to do reviews on handbags. I'm just now getting into the What's in My Bag series, so I'll do that. I like to do hauls as well. I ordered this bad boy on either Sunday night or Monday night. I really can't remember which day I ordered it on. And it came today. Today is Saturday. The seller's name is down here. If you need any bag sourced, go ahead and leave your name and your email address down below. I can give you all the deets. So let's go ahead and get into As you see, I got another one. You guys, you've probably already seen the thumbnail, so you already know what this is. But for those of you who just seen, oh my God, Handbag Snob has a new bag coming, let's get into it. As you can see, it has the Chanel magnetic closure. For those of you who don't know, this right here is another mini flat bag to add to my collection. I used to really only be like a jumbo double flap kind of girl, you know, gold hardware, lambskin. I'm kind of venturing out a little bit more. I really want to get my hands on either a medium or a jumbo with silver hardware or ooh, how pretty is she? I'll let you zoom in a little bit. Pretty. All right. As you guys see, I have the Chanel mini flap bag in the rectangular shape. In the United States, this bag is going for $3,500. Let's go ahead and take all this plastic wrap and all this other stuff off. Open. And you see that? Inside you have a slip pocket and you have a zip pocket here. You have the Chanel on the zipper on the inside, and on the other side it is the CC. You do have a authenticity sticker at the bottom. You have 2 grommets here. You can wear it crossbody long ways or as a shoulder bag. Smells so good. Really pretty bag. Let's get to measuring. It's so pretty. Whew. Okay. So dimensions. I'm not supposed to measure. Got some crinkles in it, I noticed. So on the website it's 4.7, so almost 5, and that looks about right. Depth on the website is 2.3 and spot on. And then the length 7.8, and it is exactly that. This super cute, super cute and super pretty. But I definitely want to do a comparison. Okay. So of course my Square Mini is in lambskin with the silver hardware, and this one is in the caviar hardware. This is the mini square and this is the mini rectangle. So let's just basically see what all can fit in my Square Mini. I can fit a card holder. I can fit my 6 key ring, and I can fit my coin pouch. And that's what it'll look like. I cannot fit my glasses at all. Like it doesn't even fit. But when I go to close it, it fits really good. Okay. So keep in mind I can only fit 3 of my items in my Square Mini. Now I'm going to put that one over here. And this one, I can fit my Chanel card holder. Oh yeah. My 6 ring key holder. I can fit my change pouch. I can fit another 6 key ring holder. And I might be able to get away with putting in these glasses. Holy moly. You really can fit so much more in here. Oh my gosh. This. You can fit so much in here. I feel like I'm gonna get the black with the black caviar with the silver hardware. I'm really digging this rectangle mini. If you guys have any questions on my new bag, my rectangle mini, let me know, because I'm definitely gonna go and get the rectangle mini with the silver hardware and the caviar leather and black. This is my new favorite, hands down. I thought it was the medium was my new favorite. The medium's a good bag, don't get me wrong, right? But I swear, you guys, I always keep all my stuff bags like stuffed in. I'm a psycho. Alright, so this is my medium. Okay, so you got the you got the Square Mini, you have the rectangle mini, you have the medium. So as you can see, the medium is like a substantial increase in size. You literally can fit about, but this is my jumbo. So as you can tell, I really like gold hardware, but like medium, jumbo, mini, rectangle, jumbo. It's like, you see what I'm saying? And then here, and then mini to the jumbo. You see what I'm saying? Your jumbo, you can fit so much stuff in there, but it is a bit heavy. Oh, it's so soft. It is a bit heavy. So keep that in mind if you're wanting to get a bag that is light, or if you can wear my jumbo. I feel like I'm so scared to wear it because it is lambskin and it's bigger, and I just don't want to get scratches on it or whatever. I'm so scared to wear it. This medium I've had for 3 years now. You see, it got some color transfer on the back because I like to wear it all the time with like a pop of color here and there. Probably need another red bag, but like this bad boy is like so classic, so chic. Probably should get it in caviar because I love to wear red with like anything. It's like my pop of color. But this one here, I can fit so much stuff in there. I'm so excited. So I'm sorry, I digress because I'll just keep bringing out more and more bags. You guys, this is my review, my unboxing, I should say, my unboxing on my Chanel mini rectangle with the gold hardware and the caviar leather. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you want more information just on, you know, suggestions on things I should do to my channel or other types of reviews you would like to see, go ahead and leave your email address and email me. You know, I'm always available and I respond pretty quickly, I think. But yet again, thank you for stopping by with your girl, the handbag snob, and I hope you like this bag because I am loving it. Peace.